Okay, guys, so here it is. This is the Soundcore Motion 100. This one right here claims to have high res sound and also 20-watt worth of stereo sound coming out of this thing. From the box, it's pretty slim, so I like that already. Now let's see if it lives up to the hype here. We're going to do an unbox and then we're going to do a little sound test real quick. All right, let's do it. Pretty small, hefty. It feels hefty, which is good. So you get yourself USB-C to USB-C. That's pretty much all that comes with it. Because that's really all you need to charge the speaker up, so that's okay. Okay, looks good right here. Entire front speaker, I can kind of see through it. Two speakers here, one in the middle. There's some speckles of some sort on here. It reminds me of like the GoPro, the brand new GoPro 12. Does it glow in the dark to you? I feel like it glows. Maybe just the light shining on it. Anyway, the front, or the top, I should say. So there's a bass up button right there. Volume button, play and pause. This material right here is grippy to the hand. Lanyard, okay. Notice the back. This is where, the bass is going to be pushing out quite a bit. I think they're focusing on the bass on this one right here. So anyway, let's see how much power it has on this thing. All right, let's see what song we're going to play here today. This is Halfway. This is just halfway, okay? I'm going to put it close to the speaker. And turn it up more. Okay, now let's try the bass up. Waiting for the bass. Go ahead and turn the bass down. Bass up. Okay. The bass is really good on this, even without the bass up button pressed. Once you press the bass up button, I feel like there is a little bit more like controlled bass coming out of this thing, where it feels a little bit more solid. I'm not sure what it's doing, to be honest with you, but that's what I felt because I was holding it in my hand. this thing is definitely loud. Not sure if my microphone helps you with that experience or not, but nice. Good job, Soundcore. Compact and good sound. Yeah. Anyway, that's it, guys.